morning, folks. It's Matt with the Traveling Texans. Today we're going to be in Progreso, Mexico. We booked an excursion, best of Merida with shopping. So Megan and I are going to go get on a bus here in a minute, and they're going to take us into the city of Merida, one of the oldest cities here on the peninsula, and we're going to go check it out. We'll be able to see like the Plaza Grande and some other stuff. So again, we're on the board of the Adventure of the Seas with Royal Caribbean Cruises this time, and follow along and enjoy. Progreso has the world's longest pier. It's like 4.5 miles long. That's why we got to take these buses from the ship to the port. Roundabout here in Merida. They have graffiti even here.
Remember this on the Mexican flag? It is an eagle standing on a cactus eating a snake. The Aztecs, not the Mayans, the Aztecs, we are different. Aztecs from Mexico City, Mayans from Yucatan. The Aztecs, they were looking on a lake or this sign to set their civilization. Whenever they find this, they found Tenochtitlan.
So one thing we've been learning about the city here of Merida, it's about 1.2 million people here on the peninsula, and it's been named the safest city in Mexico. So we've already started to look at some Airbnbs to possibly stay out here for about a week or so. You know, maybe bring my parents, bring the kids. This is only our first stop to see this national monument behind me, but it's a beautiful city. So our second stop here is the Paseo de Matejo. It's like the iconic avenue here in Merida. Sorry, I'm trying to say the name right and everything. I'm not always going to, so. Yeah, it's a beautiful street, a lot of shopping, old houses that were turned into businesses. Let's take a look. Hotel El Español. Honestly, it reminds me of one of the avenues in Barcelona. Street vendors. shops, restaurants, cafes, banks. Went to that cacao place, but they kindly asked there would be no video or photos, so I didn't do any video in there out of respect to them. One thing to consider whenever you're off the boat in port is you're going to go off of boat time, ship time. So on the boat right now, it is 10:22 a.m. Although locally here in Mexico, it's 9:22 a.m. So if the boat says to be back, or they're leaving at 5 o'clock, they're going to be leaving right now at 4 o'clock local time. So you've always got to, like if you're on Royal Caribbean, download the Royal Caribbean app and make sure you're cognizant of the ship's time, because that's when they're leaving. Don't go by your local time, by your phone, look at the app and go by that. And we booked this excursion through Royal Caribbean, so if something happens, bus breaks down, something like that, they're going to wait on us. But if you don't, if you're out on your own, it's on ship time, not necessarily on the local time.